हेलो एंड यू वाचिंग क्लैपट्रैप, वी आर बैक अगेन। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज एक ऐसी कंपनी के वीडियो आपको दिखाएंगे जो कंपनी ऑलरेडी बहुत पॉपुलर है, लेकिन हमारे चैनल पे फर्स्ट टाइम हम शोकेस कर रहे हैं। एंड द स्पेशल पार्ट ऑफ द कंपनी इज दे मेक फर्नीचर बॉन्डेड विद लव। हाय गार्गी।
Hi,
हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm doing great.
Alright, generally we welcome all our store owners. So welcome to Claptrap.
Thank you so much.
And thanks a lot for inviting us here. It's such a wonderful place.
It's our pleasure. Yeah.
Total fairyland.
Yes, of course.
Because I'm a furniture lover.
Yeah, we try to make it. We try to provide home solution for your furniture love.
I kind of fell in love with the tagline you have, no? Furniture bonded with love.
Yes.
All
yes.
right. Okay, so starting with basic question and the name of the store, and though it is a branded name, people already know it. It's already printed all
Yes.
around. The whole city is painted with the
Yes.
name. But still would like to hear it from you, the name of the company, how it originated and what all we make.
Wooden Street, as we say, that furniture bonded with love. The love originated in 2015, where we came across as the e-commerce platform to give you the perfect solution for furniture, where we come with the perfect wood, that is shisham wood.
Okay.
And as we started in 2015, we realized that shisham wood and the furniture, whatever you keep in your house, the major concern is how it is made, the quality, the look, the
Okay.
finishes. So later on, we moved from 2016. We started opening the experience stores pan India,
Okay.
and recently we have, with all of your support, we have got 35 plus stores pan India, and daily we are increasing on the client lead what we are having at this moment.
And I understand you have, Wooden Street as per se as a company has reached to more than 40,000 households, right? Or more?
Yes,
The
yes.
number is right?
It's increasing. While we
Okay.
are talking, it's increasing again.
Okay, by the time video is uploaded, I'm sure 2000 must have increased by
yes,
then.
Yes, of course, of course,
Okay,
of course.
it's going to be an interesting conversation with you. So basically, if we say with the help of pointers, you said that we manufacture shisham wood furniture.
Exactly, exactly.
Aesthetically correct, 100% Indian, nothing imported, right?
Yes.
Okay,
As
made
we-
in India with a lot of love.
Yes, as we recently come across the tagline of Make in India, we are very proud that we are following it from root to the toe. From
Okay.
tip to toe, we are Make in India. We are having manufacturing units in Rajasthan. Pan India, we are having stores, and all the executives over here are putting their love, their sweat to give you the best furniture solution possible.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is one section of solid wood furniture, and in solid wood furniture also we deal into different woods. We
Exactly.
deal in shisham,
Yeah.
teak, mango, everything.
Yes,
All
yes,
of it.
yes.
And what all we make, we talk about the units. Like what all we make in wood.
Yeah, as you move inside the house, you go in the living area. Whatever you want in living area, we do make it. From sofa to the coffee table to the bookshelf to the decor items, we give you all. As we move across to the to the lounge area where we sit and we discuss, we have got TV units. We have
Okay.
got everything what you want in your house.
Okay.
And not only this, we haven't stopped to the beds and sofas and dining sets. We do know that clients do want to come to a single place and find all the complete solution to their requirement. So we have recently introduced the decor item, and we have recently introduced the furnishing items, so that
I mean soft furniture.
yeah, soft furniture. So,
Okay.
so that you find the solution under single roof. You need not to go
All
anywhere.
right. Okay. All right, done. And we have million questions running in our mind.
Okay.
Related to buying, how
I'll be
to
glad to
shop, how
assist
to
you.
purchase, the warranty,
Yes.
the quality and everything.
Yes.
But before that, we'll take a small tour with you. We'll check
Oh.
out some of the products and
Great,
then
great,
then
great.
we'll talk
You're
about
gonna love it.
Okay?
Yes.
All right, so we have come to the most interesting part now.
Okay.
And before we start taking our tour, the journey of joy,
Okay.
let me start with a very, very basic question. As you mentioned in the introduction part,
Yes.
that experience center,
Yeah.
what does it mean?
See, it's an online platform. It's
Okay.
an e-commerce. It's the fastest growing e-commerce company at this moment in India,
Okay.
which is providing you complete furniture solution at your place. And not only that, as I mentioned, we are giving decor items and all these furnishing, requirement what you have at your house. So, as we are Indians, we know we want to feel and touch everything. And
Okay.
as I said that though we are bonding it with love, but that love, until unless you touch and feel, you cannot experience it. So we have got experience stores pan India at 35 plus cities, and where you can go, where you can check out the quality, where you can see and feel what we make, how the finishes come out, how the colors come out. You can see it over here. Sanjeev, while you'll be, taking us to the tour.
Right. We'll get to see that.
We'll get to see that.
And how about the people those who don't have time or
Yeah.
maybe running short of time? For
Yeah.
them, the store is not just around
Yes,
the corner.
of course.
So for them, there's a e-commerce website.
Online platform is the primary source.
Okay.
Because as we are moving towards the digitalization, that's the best part. The
Okay.
e-commerce solution is the best part where you can see and check. It's just the secondary part where if you want to check the quality, you can come back to the experience stores.
Okay, or else you can buy it online
Yes,
as
yes,
well.
perfectly fine.
Okay, and Claptrap also plays a responsible job.
Yes.
We will also talk about furniture, how
Yes,
it
yes.
feels. So people,
Of course,
those who are
of
a little
course.
confused,
Yeah.
those who cannot, people
Yes.
those who want to believe in
Yes, yes,
e-commerce
sure,
side,
sure.
but they are still skeptical. Then
Yes.
for them, we are making this
Yes,
video,
of course.
so they can feel
Because
it.
as I say, furniture is not a buy, it's not a purchase, it's an investment. Experience store is a
Okay,
great
so start
platform.
with this now, since we have
Yes.
already spoken about it. So start with, we are starting this.
Okay.
Let's experience this dining chair. Tell me about this dining chair set.
See, it's one of our, best liked furniture. It's Kohun dining set, how it is called.
Okay.
And as we know, as the cities are expanding, but space is contracting. So this kind of solution, the space saving and perfectly quality wood shisham wood we are providing, where you get a perfect solution for sitting. You get a compact area. You get the perfect solid wood surface to keep your dishes and arrange it beautifully like how we have done. So
ठीक है।
such kind of solution is provided by us.
ओके तो आप थोड़ा हमारे हिंदी व्यूअर्स के लिए भी हम बात करते हैं हिंदी में भी
हिंदी में
और
सूर्या।
उनको हम बता दें नहीं कोई बात नहीं, हम उनको बता दें कि लैंग्वेज का जहाँ तक सवाल है गार्गी, हम दोनों लैंग्वेजेस पे फोकस करते हैं
Okay.
क्योंकि हमारे पास हिंदुस्तान में सभी
बिल्कुल,
भाषा के
बिल्कुल।
लोग हैं
बिल्कुल,
और
बिल्कुल।
हिंदी और इंग्लिश समझने वाले
जी,
सबसे
बिल्कुल,
ज़्यादा हैं.
बिल्कुल।
सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस डाइनिंग टेबल. इसकी आप बात कर रहे थे कि स्पेस सेविंग कॉन्सेप्ट में बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन
बहुत
है.
अच्छा ऑप्शन है. यस.
अच्छा.
मैं आपको आगे भी दिखाती हूँ.
जी।
अगर आप वो आगे वाला डाइनिंग सेट देख सकते हैं, ये एक अच्छा सॉल्यूशन होता है
अच्छा।
जिसके अंदर आपको ना केवल 2 चेयर होती हैं एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 more chairs we have reduced it to 1 bench.
Okay.
Now how it helps us, it just get fit into the table.
ओके.
So this is a very perfect solution for your space constraint if you have, and of course it's easier to maintain the bench as compared to the chair.
All right. This can be placed adjacent to a wall.
Yes,
right?
perfectly.
And
Yes.
you have guests coming in, then you can
Yes.
pull out. Otherwise,
Yes.
just 2 people can
Exactly.
use it, right?
And on the either side we keep this area open so you can keep ottoman spoofs, and you can get more people to sit on a single, you can get more people to sit on 4-seater dining chair.
Okay. And if we talk about this dimension, the size of it.
See, the size of it is around 4 feet.
Okay.
That's why I was mentioning in 4-seater dining set you can accommodate more people because it's 4 feet of dining set.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the price part, Gargi.
The price of this 4-seater dining set is around 29,999. And
Okay.
one more part we were missing on it. As you see, these are the upholstered benches and chair. We always give that option to the clients that
Okay.
if they are not okay with the color, the beige color, they can go for various color options. And the major part is we have got beautiful color range, printed, leatherette, velvet, and even the bold colors. But
Okay.
if you have got your own fabric choice, you can get to us.
All right.
As we provide custom solutions, so this is the best solution from us.
Super good.
Yeah.
Otherwise, chairs without the soft cushioning,
Yeah.
little uncomfortable
Of
for a
course,
longer
of
sitting,
course, of
right?
course.
But we have both the options available.
We
is
are
it?
using 40 density of foam
Okay.
for seating. But in case you want to go for a non-cushion place, that's perfectly okay for us.
Okay.
If you want to go for your own fabric, perfectly okay with us.
All right.
Yeah.
So you have mentioned the price is
Yes.
29,999. All these lampshades, home decor items you are
Yes.
getting to see on screen, they all are
They
available.
are all available,
Okay.
and they can decorate your house at its best. Yeah.
Cool. And how much is this for?
This particular set is for 33,899.
Okay.
Yes.
Aesthetically, we'll mention the once again. Otherwise, we don't want to miss out on that. You said 33,999.
899, yeah.
All right.
If you see, this is a beautiful orangish color which we call honey finish as such. And if you see that dining set, it's for a darker color.
Okay.
So we provide those solutions which fit into your interior, which
Okay.
fit into your decor.
All
If you
right.
feel that aesthetically this honey color will look quite old, quite traditional, you can go for something in dark green, which
Exactly.
which will be more contemporary and modern.
And right. So how much is that table is for? That's dining set is for? ये कितने का है?
This particular Adolf 6-seater dining set with the bench is around 44,989.
Okay.
And one more
44,000?
800.
44,989. Sure.
And,
Please go ahead.
and one more important part. If you will go to our website, of course you will be going to it. So if you like something which is mentioned with the bench and you want to, exchange it with 2 chairs, of course that is possible.
Okay. अच्छा, वहाँ पे वेबसाइट पे ऑप्शन है कि आप अपने
बिल्कुल।
हिसाब से अपना एक कॉम्बिनेशन भी
बिल्कुल,
बना
ये
सकते हैं आप।
कॉम्बिनेशंस रहते हैं और हम आपके लिए हमेशा अवेलेबल रहेंगे। हमारी
ठीक है।
एक बहुत अच्छी
हाँ।
एंड एग्रेसिव सेल्स टीम रहती है।
जी।
आपको वहाँ पे हमारे नंबर मिल जाते हैं, मैं आपको एक बार दे भी दूंगी वो।
Okay।
वहाँ पे हमारे सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव होते हैं, वो
जो
आपको
आपको
असिस्ट
हेल्प
कर
कर
देते हैं।
देंगे।
बिल्कुल
ठीक
बिल्कुल
है।
बिल्कुल।
तो अब हम कुछ और डाइनिंग सेट्स देखते हैं यहाँ से, क्योंकि हमने इस पूरे यहाँ पे जो हम देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे पूरे डाइनिंग चेयर्स हैं।
हमने
dining
पूरा
sets हैं।
एक ही सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करा हुआ है कि आप एक जगह आए, आप डाइनिंग सेट देखिए,
अच्छा।
आप उस तरफ जाएंगे, आपको स्टडी टेबल का एक सेक्शन मिलेगा, साथ में ही आपको एक बुक शेल्फ का एक रेंज मिल जाएगा।
Okay।
सो यू विल कवर ऑल दी थिंग्स एट अ सिंगल गो।
ओके ओके, सो टॉकिंग अबाउट स्टडी टेबल्स, ये क्या प्राइस रेंज में है?
ये आपको प्राइस रेंज, स्टार्टिंग रेंज आपको मिल जाएगी 10,000 एंड
पूरा सेट 10,000 रुपीज
फॉर द टेबल।
फॉर द टेबल?
मैं रेंज ऐसे बताऊँ आपको?
ओके, सो दिस टेबल का रेंज ये कितने का है?
ये पर्टिकुलर टेबल आपको पड़ेगा 16,100
16,000 का।
16,199
ओके,
का।
वैसे आप जो बता रहे थे अभी उसको क्लेरिफाई करते हैं। आप बताए 10,000 से स्टार्टिंग है क्या?
10,000 से स्टार्टिंग
स्टार्टिंग है। ओके ओके, परफेक्टली फाइन। ठीक है, ये वाला जो मॉडल है इसकी बात हम कर रहे हैं, दिस इज फॉर 16,000 रुपीज।
16,199
119 and this has got couple of beautiful features.
Exactly.
Okay, shall we go in detail?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, this is, I think, is collapsible.
It's not only collapsible, it's having a beautiful storage over here.
Oh, okay, very
And,
nice.
yeah,
Acha.
and to avoid the clutter from front, it is having that storage area on this side.
Okay.
So you get a good location to place the furniture.
Okay.
Go to place your wood, and over here you get a good leg room. If you see,
Right.
as we are moving into the generation of work from home, we need a very comfortable work from home setup.
Right.
So when you get a good leg room, that means you can sit for a longer hour.
Yeah, and person of any height can be accommodated
Exactly.
in this, because some people are tall, some
Of
are
course,
short.
yes.
So these kind of human anatomy is
Yes.
also important, right?
Human anatomy is actually compiled when you give a good leg room. So
Right.
I guess that is all there.
Cool, and because generally people don't realize it, and whenever they're buying study chairs,
Yes.
they should always be cushioned, because you sit for a very long period of time.
Obviously. And,
Otherwise, it will hurt.
I would really like to add that along with these study tables, if you want to go for wooden solution in the chairs, that is a great choice. But if you want to go for ergonomic part, we do have it. We do
Okay.
have ergonomic chairs.
Okay.
Yes.
And though it is also ergonomically correct if you look at it from
Yes.
the wooden perspective, but
Yes.
you have otherwise
With the
also.
posture and everything, if you see, wooden part is quite a comfortable one.
All right.
Yeah.
And this one, this set is for how much?
This set is for 18,349.
18,345.
Yeah.
ठीक है. We go to the next one
Yes.
now. All right. So from study table to your feature wala, this is your feature. What all we have displayed here?
We have displayed where we started, how
Okay.
we started,
Journey.
and that journey is there. A great message by our CEO, Mr. Lokendra Singh Ranawat is here. We have got a quite good, great picture wall with all of our co-founders at the starting and all the members sitting in the first picture which we have displayed.
And a lot of certificates.
Yes.
And okay, these are the acknowledgements,
Yes,
basically.
yes, exactly.
All right. So we were talking about study use, and we have checked out couple of solid wood
Yes.
study tables.
Yes.
Now we are looking at the other one.
These are the modular solutions.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the modular study table, which are quite, cheaper in the range. Which that this particular study table is around 6,989.
Okay.
Yeah, and this one over here, it's around 11,989.
Okay. ठीक है. These are the modular ones, so they are different from the solid wood.
Yes.
They're made of board.
Yeah,
Okay.
particle board.
And now we are in the sofa section.
Yes.
The most interesting part. Can't
Yes.
wait to see it. Okay. So this is one of the. Okay.
This
One of the units, right? Okay. Yeah, please tell me.
This is one of our beautiful and highest selling range, that is Marriott 3+1+1 wooden
Okay.
sofa. And as you see, we have included quite vibrant colors and combination with printed and plain. So you can also do it. You can come to us. We can suggest you great colors, great fabric with the wood, with the fabric, and what to place along with it. Like over here, we have placed a very beautiful side and table, and at the corner we have placed a bookshelf where you can keep the decor items and books, and a lamp over here to give it a perfect look.
Right.
So you need not to go anywhere else. You can just come to us. We'll give you perfect solution how to keep it, where to arrange it, what are the decor items.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And this is aesthetically correct. Wood has a different value. It's a class value. Also, it has got some space to store your things. Even the center table has got storage ideas, right?
Yes.
There's a storage availability, right?
Yeah, I'll just show you.
Okay.
It's one of our beautiful stud
Okay.
coffee table.
Okay.
It's not only have this particular niche, but also over here you have got a great storage.
Okay.
With this tray, you just have a
Oh.
beautiful
Okay. You
storage.
can. This is for the storage purpose.
This is for the storage at the edges also, at the adjacent sides. You can put the books, put the magazines, put the newspapers.
Okay.
Yes.
At the end of the video, we will ask a couple of questions related to maintenance and also why.
That's important.
Okay, people are skeptical, so we'll clear off that doubt. There's a mist of
Yes.
doubt that wood का treatment कैसे होता है,
बिल्कुल,
कैसा
बिल्कुल।
wood है, quality, termite,
बहुत
we'll talk
ज़्यादा
about that
ज़रूरी
ना।
है वो जानना।
वो हम end में पूछेंगे
बिल्कुल
आपसे।
ज़रूरी है।
अभी हम इसकी बात कर रहे थे कि ये कितने का है पूरा सेट?
This particular set, the sofa set is around 67,989.
5-seater, 3 plus 1.
3 plus 1 plus 1. And if you include the coffee table, आप coffee table पे जाते हैं, so it's around 14,349.
ओके, ठीक है। तो अब एक चीज़ और मुझे जानना था आपसे कि जितने भी हम यहाँ पे यूनिट्स देखते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स वेबसाइट पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे ना, इससे भी ज़्यादा
बिल्कुल,
होंगे,
बिल्कुल।
राइट ना?
There are like around 5,000 plus products on the website.
ओके, ठीक है। तो ये एक तरह से मूवी का ट्रेलर है, द एंटायर मूवी इज देयर, यू हैव टू
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे
पिक्चर अभी आई लाइक दैट, वेरी स्पंकी। ओके, सो टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्नीचर
Yes.
एंड माय फेवरेट फ्लोरल देन ट्रॉपिकल प्रिंट नाइस हाइविंग चेयर and this can be used as a extra seating arrangement in your drawing room and bedroom. Okay.
What my favorite part is, you
Okay.
can not only sit on it, if you're watching TV, and I quite doze off when I'm watching TV, so I can doze off here.
Okay.
So this is the best part, and
Okay.
I love it a lot.
All right. So
Yes.
you believe there's a reason these two
These
kind
niches
of
are there, yes.
protrusions are made for
These
that?
wings are here, yes.
These wings are actually created
exactly,
for that?
Exactly,
Okay.
for your comfort.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay. And of course, it makes it a little royal and larger than life and bigger.
My personal favorite is, floral print. But if you want to go for something bold, which you want to, include with some of the colored and printed cushions, that is of course a choice.
Okay. All right. So more than the product selling, we are talking about the knowledge sharing.
Yes.
You have shared
That
wonderful
is-
knowledge with
ये
us.
बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
Okay.
Because भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार के लोग हैं हमारे भारत देश में, तो सबकी एक तरह की चॉइस होना बहुत मुश्किल है.
हाँ, ठीक बात है।
Yes.
तो हम पूरा कोशिश करते हैं कि हम
बिल्कुल।
जानकारी भी देते जाएं।
बिल्कुल।
तो ये चेयर आप कहीं भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं घर में, आप बेडरूम, ड्राइंग रूम, डाइनिंग एरिया, सॉरी लिविंग रूम, है ना?
बिल्कुल. As we move ahead, see this is currently placed with a beautiful, sofa set. I'll show you. We
उसका
have
प्राइस बता दें पहले हम।
इसका प्राइस आपको रहेगा 20,499.
अच्छा,
Yes.
ठीक है।
I'll also
हाँ।
show you, हम आगे जब बढ़ेंगे, हमने यही सेम सेट, सेम लाउंज चेयर हमने बेडरूम में भी रखा हुआ है.
अच्छा।
So you get an idea that you can use the same lounge chair with few other color combination in your bedroom, which can
Okay.
give you a great comfort.
ठीक है।
Yes.
Talking about this,
Yes.
I have seen this somewhere. I've seen it. Of course, it was from your store only.
As you told, it's a fairyland, so maybe.
I've seen it. We have done a video, and
Yeah.
they have picked up from your store.
Yes.
I realize it now because
Yeah.
they didn't mention the name,
Yeah.
but I saw it and I kind of fell in love because of the concept. This has a beautiful utility idea.
Yes.
It's very thoughtfully embedded that utility
Of
idea in
course,
this.
of course.
Because generally sofas don't have this kind of
Yes.
utility.
Yeah.
So talk about this. This is a very unique piece.
This is a very beautiful piece which is actually inclusive of 2 lounge chairs and 1 table.
Okay.
It's not a single sofa, it's 2 lounge chairs.
Oh, these are separated ones. Okay, okay.
These are separated things.
Okay.
The table is separate, if you see.
Okay.
The table is separate
All right.
and these lounge chairs are separate. You can use it separately, you can use it together
Okay.
when more guests are here. So it's a very comfortable, compact and a great seating for your lounge area.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
Very good concept, basically. You
Thank
can
you.
sit like, facing each other. You can face, watch TV and
Yeah.
you can,
Yeah, exactly.
and this can be used as a table.
Exactly.
So you don't have to buy another extra
coffee
seat-
table
coffee
or a
table.
side-end table, yes. It's
Right.
a perfect solution, yeah.
How much is this for?
This particular set is around 46,949.
Okay. All right. There's one more thing I want to talk about.
Yeah.
For my viewers, those who believe that wooden furniture is the the modern furniture or maybe the vintage. It does not give vintage finish if you know how to use it. Look at this example.
Yes.
You have this nice vintage finish, beautiful sofa with very nice contemporary
Yes.
nesting of
Nesting
three,
tables,
nesting
exactly,
tables of
exactly.
2, and this goes so well. Okay, it's a beautiful
It's
fusion,
a
don't you
beautiful
think
vision. Yes, it is. And if you see, if you come here, you can see that traditional side-end table, the
Right.
circular side-end table is there.
so? Right.
The round side-end table, which has been into our houses since our grandfather.
For years together?
Yeah, for
Yeah?
years. My grandmother used to have
Okay.
it aside to her bed. So these designs, when you combine it together with beautiful colors and just a bit of suggestion from us, of course, हम उसके लिए यहाँ पर हैं, we can give out a perfect look, perfect aesthetic, perfect decor to your house.
Cool.
Yeah.
Talking about the price part now, and these are again Indian because you said everything is made in India.
Yeah.
India has started making this.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. How much is this for? This chair?
This particular Nest-off table is around 23,599.
Set of 2.
Yes.
Okay. And sofa is for how much?
Sofa is around 46,949.
And you have mentioned about the high wing
Yes.
chair. Okay. And now coming to this one, very attractive piece. Okay.
Elena coffee table.
Elena coffee table, very nice design. Oh, okay.
It does have a storage
Oh,
also.
this has got
Don't
a
think
storage
that
as
if
well.
it's beautiful, it's having aesthetic value. It doesn't have storage value. It has both the parts.
Wow.
Yes.
And not many people have used the transparent glass on the top
Yes.
as a top on wooden table.
शीशम के साथ ग्लास का एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर कॉम्बिनेशन है ये.
ये बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन है.
Yes, thank you.
थोड़ा सा इसमें ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो सकती बिकॉज देयर इज नो लेग सपोर्ट ऑन द
Yeah.
अदर साइड ऑफ इट. तो थोड़ा सा वेट बैलेंसिंग में प्रॉब्लम नहीं
नहीं
आएगा
नहीं,
इसमें.
आप इसको देखिए, ये काफ़ी बैलेंस्ड है क्योंकि इसका लेग इस तरफ से.
अच्छा.
हमारे कारपेंटर्स सिर्फ कारपेंटर्स नहीं है, दे आर फिजिसिस्ट ऑल्सो. दे आर गुड फिजिसिस्ट. दे हैव मैच्ड ऑल द ग्रेविटी एंड एवरीथिंग.
Okay.
दे हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट. सी,
Okay.
आई एम पुटिंग माय वेट, नो प्रॉब्लम इन इट.
ओह
Yes.
ओके. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए पूछना होता है कि ये जाहिर सी बात है, ये हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनके भी जहन
बिल्कुल,
में आता है.
बिल्कुल.
वो भी पूछना चाहेंगे कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोई प्रॉब्लम, दिस विल नॉट टॉपल.
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
हाउ मच इज दिस फॉर?
दिस पर्टिकुलर टेबल इज अराउंड 11,989.
ठीक है, हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में डायमेंशंस में नहीं जाएंगे बिकॉज दिस इज अवेलेबल ऑन
Yeah.
साइट. यू कैन गो
Everything is
देयर एंड
available.
सी इट.
And you'll find more and more designs on the website as you go.
गार्गी ऑनलाइन जब जाएंगे विजिट करेंगे तो वहाँ पे जब ब्राउज करते हैं तो ऑल डायमेंशंस आर मेंशन ना, उसमें सब दिया हुआ है.
I'm particularly mentioning it on the last picture. You'll always find great dimensions. You'll find detailed dimension.
Okay.
And when you scroll down, when you go to the website, when you scroll down the product, there will be material mentioned कि वो शीशम का है, वो मैंगो का है या वो पार्टिकल बोर्ड का है. उसके अंदर डायमेंशंस होंगे, उसकी डिलीवरी टाइमलाइन होगी, उसका क्लीनिंग पर्पस होगा कि कैसे क्लीन करना है, प्रोफेशनल क्लीनिंग होगी, आप वेट वाइप से कर सकते हैं. हर चीज़ डिटेल में मेंशन रहती है बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू इट्स ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म.
Okay.
वी केम फॉर द सॉल्यूशन दैट यू नीड नॉट टू गो एनीवेयर. यू कैन जस्ट सिट, you can just browse and have the product at your home. So you can just go through the website, you will find every detailed mention without any help.
Okay, right? Okay, so we were talking about this chair now. This is
Crisper
is it
lounge
foldable?
chair. No, it's not foldable.
Okay. This has that look of that collapsible foldable chair.
Yes.
A little large in size.
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of this?
It's Crisper lounge chair, which
Okay.
is costing around 11,799.
Okay. How much?
11,799.
11,799. 11,799 रुपये का है ये. ठीक है, हम बात कर रहे थे सोफा कम बेड की. नाउ क्विकली हम बाकी सारे बहुत सारा स्टोर अभी देखेंगे.
Bed नहीं.
ये दिस इज नॉट सोफा कम बेड.
This is a divan. This is a divan
okay.
with the storage.
Oh, okay. Because I saw there were grooves, so I thought
Yes.
there was a pull-out grooves.
Grooves
अच्छा.
are for your storage.
Oh, okay,
हम लोग
okay.
इसके अंदर रोलर्स लगाते हैं ताकि वो कंफर्टेबल रहे आपके
अच्छा.
लिए. इजी आपको पुल आउट रहेगा. कोई सा भी एज ग्रुप हो वो उसको इजीली पुल आउट कर सकता है.
अच्छा.
एंड इट्स अ डे बेड. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डे बेड which is having great width.
Depth.
Yeah, depth is quite much.
Okay.
35 inches is there. So you can fold your legs, you can eat over here, you can watch TV, you can even sleep.
ओके. जनरली ये जो दीवान होते हैं इनके बारे में, इनकी प्लेसमेंट के बारे में बता दें कि इनको भी आप कहीं भी प्लेस कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
अपने ड्राइंग रूम में भी रख सकते हैं आप, है ना.
बिल्कुल.
ऐसा नहीं कि लिविंग रूम में रखना है, पर लॉन्गर सिटिंग के लिए ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होते
ज़्यादा
हैं.
कंफर्टेबल होते हैं इसकी विड्थ की वजह से.
ठीक है. ये कुशन्स हमको साथ में मिलते हैं कि हमें अलग से लेने होंगे?
नहीं, आपको इसका मैट्रेस और आपको इसका कुशन सेपरेटली लेना होगा.
अच्छा, वो मिल जाएगा ऑन
हाँ
साइड. ठीक
बिल्कुल,
है.
हमारी वेबसाइट पे
इसका क्या प्राइस है दिस
इसका
दीवान?
प्राइस रहेगा 30,749.
ठीक है. अब तक जितने भी आइटम्स हमने देखे वो सारे के सारे शीशम वुड
शीशम
में
के
हैं. इन केस जब भी वुड चेंज होगा तो आप हमें मेंशन करके
बिल्कुल,
बता
बिल्कुल,
दीजिएगा.
I'll mention.
ठीक है. वी आर गोइंग टू द अदर साइड नाउ. ब्यूटीफुल आर्च. अच्छा, आपको ऐसा होता है कभी कि पीपल कम टू द स्टोर एंड दे क्लिक पिक्चर्स, दे ट्राई टू रेप्लिकेट दिस इन देयर हाउस?
Why not? Why not? Just have a look over there. That's a beautiful room divider. What we have just
Right.
made out of ropes. That's it.
And do people try to copy this?
We'll be quite glad if they do it.
All right, because I love the way it is designed. Very beautifully
I don't
designed.
want to go ahead without mentioning the beautiful bar cabinet.
Okay, yeah, please.
Yeah, it's a very
Sure,
beautiful
sure.
bar cabinet. It's my favorite. Though I don't drink, but it's so attractive that I would really love to keep it at my place. I have to
Okay.
say it because my parents will be watching. So,
Acha. All
see,
right.
this is a beautiful,
Okay.
beautiful bar cabinet, which gives a very beautiful and aesthetic look.
Okay.
But it's a dual purpose.
Okay.
You can open it. You can open this flap. You can take the bar stool
Okay.
and have your drinks here.
Okay.
Yes. It's
Cool.
a multi-purpose.
All right. And this can store almost all kind of bottles.
Yes.
You can have your crockery, cutlery, your tissue papers, your whiskey bottles,
Everything,
and all.
everything. It's having deep storage. You can have everything in it.
Okay. All right. How much is this for?
This particular bar cabinet is for 41,899.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है. And now we are entering in the another side of it.
Yes.
All right, Gargi. So where are we going now?
We are going to the fabric sofas
Okay.
because we have just seen the wooden one.
Okay.
So I don't want to miss the fabric sofas. What we have, beautiful colors, beautiful cushions, and the decor.
Okay, very nice. In fact, until I started personally visiting the store, I was not aware that Wooden Street has started making such wonderful, nice 100% upholstery, soft furniture as well.
Yes.
Okay, so talking about this one, what is the structure? What wood is used to make the structure
Frame,
of it?
we have to use शीशम wood.
Okay.
Because we promise the client that हम उनको sturdy, हम उनको strong product देंगे.
शीशम वुड का स्ट्रक्चर.
बिल्कुल.
Really?
आप इसके legs देख सकते हैं.
Okay.
ये शीशम वुड का स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा.
अच्छा.
पीछे इसमें एक एस्थेटिक लुक है जो कि टफ्टिंग वाला है. इट्स क्वाइट ओल्ड एज ट्रेंड.
Chesterfield है ये.
Chesterfield, exactly. The tufting, this Chesterfield gives a very traditional and very Victorian style look. But when you give it good colors, when you give it a good interior, when you give it a beautiful center table, then it gives a combination and a pinch of that contemporary and traditional we were talking about earlier.
All right. This is a straight line round arm sofa with Chesterfield tufting, and also this has got some metal studs on this. So this is contemporary style of
Yes.
sofa, right?
Yes.
Nice yellow mango color.
Yeah, mustard color we
mustard,
say. Yes.
mustard yellow. And it goes pretty well with grey because हम हमेशा इंक्लूड करते जाते हैं अपने वीडियोस में कि जब भी आप इस तरह के कलर यूज करते हैं तो अनडाउटेडली ग्रे एक ऐसा कलर है जो आप आराम से किसी भी तरह
किसी
यूज
के
कर
साथ मैच
सकते
कर
हैं.
सकते हैं, बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. सो ये क्या रेंज में हमने रखा है?
ये आपको 35,989 का पड़ेगा.
3 seater.
Yes.
Let me come back to you. 39,000.
989.
Okay.
Yes. And a
Okay.
perfectly beautiful velvet color.
I was expecting more, by the way.
Ah.
What is the fabric we have used in this?
Fabric what we have used is velvet.
Okay.
It's a beautiful, comfortable velvet. You know, and
Acha.
with the comfortable density of the foam what we use, it's very comfortable to sit.
Okay.
And we have included not only the lounge chairs around the sofa, we have used the ottoman.
Okay.
Because we don't want to miss out that in case you have got a space constraint, you can put these kind of ottomans to space to save the space. Along with you will have a comfortable width of sitting.
Okay. Cool. And the sofa has got 3 seaters, got beautiful, nicely
Yes.
carved legs. Huh?
Yes.
They are not straight line carved.
And you can focus on this. We have included 3 legs to make it more stable, to make it more sturdy.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Makes sense because this is large.
This is
in
large
size.
one, yes,
Okay.
exactly.
You have mentioned the price, and this center table is wood.
It's actually a combination of inlay and coconut wood.
Oh, coconut wood.
Yes.
For the first time. So maybe some shell is used. Okay. And what white part is?
What white part is inlay.
Okay. All right.
yes.
ठीक है. Nice, very beautiful. And this has got a center base. How much is this for?
This particular table, Mariana coffee table, you will find for 22,589.
Okay. You are talking about this unit now, the chest of drawers.
Okay.
This is solid wood with tile work.
One of my favorite, of course, I would
Okay.
mention it. Not being biased, but I do love these colors. The company is coming from Rajasthan.
Okay.
So how can we miss that pinch of Rajasthani
the
colors
Rajasthani
and
traditional.
tiles and tradition? So this is a boho chest of drawer. Don't miss
Okay.
it. It's not just a chest of drawer, it's a boho chest of drawer, which is having comfortable, space to
Okay.
place your crockery, your socks, your all the things
Right.
what you want to keep. You have got a good space to keep it. And of course, you can decorate with few of the table runners and the
Okay.
pots for how we have done it.
Okay, this again is one of those furniture items that can be used anywhere in the house,
Anywhere,
right?
in your living area, in your bedroom,
Okay.
even in the kitchen if you want
Okay.
to keep
And
it.
how much is this for?
This particular chest of drawer you'll find for 24,599.
All right. Okay, so going to open the next one now.
Yes.
Nice royal blue color, L corner, Chesterfield round arm sofa. Okay, right now?
Yes, perfectly fine.
Ji.
This is Henry L-shaped right aligned sofa.
What is the name? Henry.
Henry, yes.
Okay, okay. As you said, every furniture item has got a
It
name.
has
Does
got
it
a name.
make shopping online little easy with the help of name?
Yeah, because if you call it a Chesterfield sofa, which
Okay.
Chesterfield sofa, what color, what design? Because if you compare it with the other sofa which we have just seen, the armrest does differ.
Okay.
It's having higher armrest, higher back. It's having a lower armrest where you can just comfortably sit and hold a cup of tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
So we
right.
have to give a name for making it easy for the client and for the executive to go with the flow in terms of recognizing what furniture one has liked.
ठीक है.
Yes.
तो आपने बताया कि ये ब्लू कलर का एल कॉर्नर चेस्टरफील्ड है, नेम इज हेनरी।
हेनरी, एग्जैक्टली।
ओके।
या
और ये कितना सीटर है?
ये आपको 5 सीटर रहेगा, 3 on this and 2
अच्छा।
on this part.
Okay.
And this is one of my favorite. Why? Because I can just go on this side, put up my legs and enjoy the TV.
Okay.
So it's a beautiful chaise lounge along with the L shape. Yeah, it's a
nice.
very comfortable combination.
ओके,
Yes.
मोर लाइक अ डे बेड,
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
ठीक है, ये कितने का है?
ये आपको पड़ेगा 74,799 का.
74,799।
Yes.
ठीक है, और ये ब्रास, आई थिंक ये मेटालिक है,
Yes, it is
है ना?
metallic coffee table.
ओके, ये कितने का है?
ये 11,799 का है.
ठीक है। एंड दिस चेयर?
This lounge chair, this is a beautiful wing chair, a Dyer wing back chair, and it is for 26,649.
ओके, आई थिंक इसमें जो वुड है वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट है क्या?
It's mango, yeah. Glad you mentioned it. ये हमारे लिए भी जानना जरूरी है, क्लाइंट्स के लिए भी जानना जरूरी है, जहाँ पे भी कार्विंग्स आती है, क्योंकि हम शीशम वुड प्रोवाइड करते हैं, काफी
अच्छा।
डिफिकल्ट होता है इसको कार्व करना क्योंकि वो काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सो वी यूज मैंगो वुड आल्सो.
ओके,
And this is mango wood lounge chair where you have got beautiful carving, flower carving is there, curves are there, and even on the wings you have got wood. That's why we use mango wood over here.
ओके, कूल। सो दिस इज वेरी नाइस, हाँ, एंड दिस अगेन कैन बी यूज्ड एनीवेयर।
Yeah, it could be. Get good storage. You can keep your makeup kit. You can keep all the accessories what you have. You can keep everything in it, and it's having strong storage with shisham. If you see, the plants are also of shisham.
Right.
It's not of any other quality, so that it can bear the strength whatever you are keeping. And of course, a full length mirror over here gives you a good place, to
Right.
stand and check whether you have got ready or not. Because Sanjeev, you have not given me enough time to get ready. So I'm very angry.
You scared me, by the way. You look prepared completely.
Thank you.
I'm running short of words, totally nonplussed and speechless. So let's not do it. Coming back to the furniture part, and this is very nice. Huh?
Yeah,
very,
this
very
is
beautiful.
Sharon dressing table.
How much is this for?
This is around 23,989.
What is the name you said?
Sharon. Sharon?
Sharon. Okay,
Sharon.
Sharon Stone वाला.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो ये है 23,998 और 89 रुपीज़
89 रुपीज़
क्या?
की, हाँ।
हाँ, का है ये?
मेरी मॉम अगर ये देखेंगी तो डांट लगा देंगी कि मैं हिंदी में
89 में थोड़ा दिक्कत है,
Numerically
79 होता है, नहीं
79.
ओके, ठीक है। हम लोग बात कर रहे थे वो चेयर्स की, तो वो भी देख लेते हैं एक बार हम, फिर एक टीवी यूनिट देखेंगे।
It's a beautiful Arctic balcony chair and
बालकनी चेयर, वुडन आउटसाइड?
yeah, why not?
अच्छा।
If it is properly seasoned, as I told you that we season it properly, we do proper anti-termite coating, why cannot you put it in balcony?
Oh really?
If you see, we'll just
Okay.
move ahead. We have got a good balcony showcasing
Okay.
furniture also,
Uh-huh.
and it's having a deep seating with
Okay.
a curved, curved back, so you get very
Good
comfortable
support.
sitting.
Okay.
And I really want to mention it. This complete set, these 2 chairs and 1 table is for 22,989,
Okay.
and it's pure shisham.
Okay, lovely. I think very nice, very sleek and colorful,
Yes.
and yet very aesthetically correct. Wooden is, के aesthetics की problem ही नहीं होती है.
Wooden
Okay.
is long lasting. It's
Right.
forever. Yes.
And again, your boho, your favorite
Boho
style,
TV.
my favorite.
Of course, it has to be. It has
Okay.
to be.
Okay, so this is a TV
This is
entertainment
a TV unit, exactly.
Okay.
And you get a good place to keep your set-top box. You get a good place to keep your DVDs, CDs if you want to keep. And if you want to hide the remote from your siblings, this is a place.
Okay.
So you can have a good area.
Okay. Also, if you can mount your television here, or even if it's
Exactly.
mounted on the wall, you
Yeah.
can place it just below
You get
it.
a good place to keep all the things, set-top box and everything over here.
Okay.
Instead of, mounting it on the wall, the complete set, you can just put the TV set below and mount the TV unit on the wall.
Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है. And how much is this for?
This particular TV unit is for 24,599.
24,599, 24,599
का बिल्कुल।
ओके, ठीक है। अब हम जा रहे हैं अगले यूनिट की तरफ। और राइट, सो वी काइंड ऑफ रीच्ड।
I want to quickly mention one thing that as I told you, we give you good suggestions how you can decorate your house. So if you see here, there is a good combination of a fabric lounge chair with the wooden sofa
Okay.
and wooden coffee table which is having stools.
हाँ,
So it's a very good combination that it's a very big notion कि आप कोई भी fabric furniture को wooden furniture के साथ combine नहीं कर सकते। ये notion हम यहीं पे break कर देते हैं। That you can combine anything with anything if you have got a good choice of colors, if you have got good choice of interior.
इनफैक्ट ये तो फिर भी आपने एक सेम फैमिली से लिया
Yes.
है कि वुडन है, लेकिन आपने फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम यू इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मी टू अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट
Yeah.
जहाँ पे आपने कॉन्टेम्प्रेरी टेबल्स को
बिल्कुल।
जो अभी आपने पहले दिखाया
बिल्कुल,
था
बिल्कुल।
और ट्रेडिशनल
Traditional
वुडन
furniture,
फर्नीचर को आपने
बिल्कुल।
मैच किया था एंड इट वाज लुकिंग स्टनिंग
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा था वो
Yes.
ठीक है
As I told you, for that suggestion, for that help, we are here.
ओके
Yes.
ठीक है सो टॉकिंग अबाउट क्विकली अबाउट दिस सोफा इज फॉर हाउ मच दिस वन 3-seater
This particular sofa cum bed is for
अच्छा इसे सोफा कम बेड
44,799. Yes.
ओके ओके फॉर हाउ मच
44,799.
ओके
And if you see, we have got a good combination of color with the decor, what we have set, and the wall color.
राइट
Yes.
ओके एंड दिस चेयर
This chair, this Adori lounge chair is for 19,499.
And this?
Petlin coffee table, which is having stools where you can sit comfortably, have your food, study. This is for 24,499.
ठीक है
Yes.
and going to open the next one it's another set of
Sofa set.
sofa sets
3 plus 1 plus 1.
okay
Yes.
and this one is for how much
This Winster sofa set is for 61,787. We have combined it with a beautiful marble top coffee table, that is a discus coffee table, and it is for 19,499. And if you see, we have got a good combination of the decor with the black print, and then to make that print go in a flow, we have introduced the nest of table, which is having black top.
okay
Yes.
superb once again you have proven that it is possible to make a fusion of
Yeah, because-
contemporary and modern contemporary
And tradition,
and
exactly,
traditional.
exactly. We have got all these furniture from different class, and then we have combined it because of the color, because of the interior,
Okay.
because of the decor, and it has made a great combination.
Okay. So talking about this, and this again is Indian, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
This used to be imported earlier.
No,
Now,
it's
fortunately, it's
Indian,
available in Indian.
yeah.
How much is this for?
This particular polished siding table set of 2, it's for 7,989.
All right.
Yeah.
How much?
7,989, quite budget friendly, I know.
Yeah.
Don't be amazed.
I want to go back to you. You noticed that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because my jokes apart, coming back to the bed section, this is a wooden bed.
Yes, this is a beautiful wooden bed. This is Vulcan bed,
Vulcan.
king size. Yeah.
Okay.
King size with storage. So we'll go to the storage. Before, I'll just mention my favorite part.
Okay.
If you come here,
Sure, sure.
this is a backrest with
Okay.
the upholstery.
Uh-huh.
And not only this, you can open it. Not only you can just open it,
Okay.
you can open it more.
Oh,
And you can
there's
keep-
another section to
yes,
it.
Yes,
Okay.
You can, you are
This
having,
compartment can be used for storage purpose.
yes, this compartment could be used in storage part.
Okay.
And it's having side storages also.
Oh, okay.
The pull-out storage, if you see, you want me to show it here? Yes, this is the storage unit. I don't
Oh,
want to
lovely.
feature it. Yeah, इसमें सामान पड़ा हुआ है.
नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं I like the way you put things across and दूसरी बात है स्पेस भी नहीं है तो we can pull out everything
वो
है ना?
वहाँ पे करके
वो
बता
साइड
सकते
हम
हैं.
करके दिखा सकते हैं ये जनरली चैनल्स पे है कि व्हील पे है किसके ऊपर है ये
We try to bring the side storage on the rollers.
Can you please open this for
Yeah.
us? Let it be filled, no problem. Even if there is something inside, no worries.
It's having rollers, and so that any age group could pull it out easily.
Okay.
And the best part out of it is that this particular storage comes out completely. The
Okay.
trolley comes out completely, and
Oh, this is detached, huh?
yeah,
Oh,
all
okay.
the 4 trolleys, 2 trolleys on each side is detached.
Okay.
And people with OCD who are very much into cleaning, it's the best buy for you because you get a good ground clearance.
Okay.
And I like cleaning a lot, so
Acha.
I need a ground clearance. So I hope all the ladies out there are loving my, idea of pulling out this storage completely so that you can clean it and you can put it behind, put it back, and keep the storage. And one more important thing, whichever bed you like on the website, you will be going to our website. You will find number of beds, and if it is not given, you can ask to us to make it into box storage. You can ask us to make it into hydraulic storage because,
Okay.
as I said, we are first custom-made furniture online store.
Okay.
Yes.
जनरली वुडन फर्नीचर में bespoke या कस्टमाइज या कस्टम मेड नहीं होता
Yes.
था तो अभी वो ऑप्शन हमारे
वो
पास
हमें
है वी कैन
solution-
कर सकते
बिल्कुल,
हैं हम
बिल्कुल,
लोग
बिल्कुल।
एक इसमें आपने बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन दिखाया है कि ये सारे के सारे ट्रॉलीज को
बाहर आ
वी कैन
सकते
पुल
हैं।
आउट एंड
We can
स्पेशली इन
pull out.
कंट्री लाइक इंडिया विद द डस्ट इज
Dust,
लाइक
yes,
वेरी प्रोमिनेंटली
yes.
विजिबल एंड
True.
आई थिंक ऑल स्टेट्स हैव डस्ट
Yes,
प्रॉब्लम
yes.
सो यू नीड टू हैव दिस
You
इन
need to
प्लेस
have
दिस इज अ वेरी
the-
गुड ऑप्शन
Yes.
ओके and also this can be taken out and you can use it someplace else maybe
Yes.
you have 2 beds
Yes.
एक बार आप इसमें रख सकते हो उसके नीचे
हाँ,
भी आप
उसके
प्लेस कर
नीचे भी
सकते
रख
हो
सकते
दिस इज अ किंग साइज बेड साइड साइज जो है इसका आई गेस
इसका मैट्रेस साइज रहेगा 6.5 feet by
by
6
feet okay
Exactly.
that's a king size bed
Yes.
and very simple sober very classy bed I guess ये इसका जो हेडबोर्ड है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है इट्स ओके वी हैव सीन दैट तो इसमें स्टोरेज भी मिलता है आपको पीछे ये कितने का है
ये आपको पड़ेगा 44,989 का.
ठीक है एंड दिस लिव्स फॉरएवर हाँ
Of course, this is Shisham. This is Shisham. This has to live forever.
ओके बता दें हमारे व्यूअर्स को जो खरीदना चाहते हैं उनके लिए
बिल्कुल।
इजी तरीका क्या
ठीक
है
है।
आप वो हिंदी में और मुझे क्विकली बता दें
जी बिल्कुल।
कि कैसे परचेज करना है।
We have got a online website www.woodenstreet.com. We have got an application also. You can download it and have a look on all the furniture with typical category what we have segregated it in.
अच्छा।
और आप उसमें से ले सकते हैं बिल्कुल।
अच्छा
जी बिल्कुल।
तो और सिंपल इस तरह से देखते हैं हम कि आप जो हम सिटी मेंशन करेंगे नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में वहाँ पे स्टोर है या आप गूगल कर लीजिए या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाके चेक कर लीजिए कहाँ पे स्टोर है उसका एड्रेस मिल जाएगा आपको। और जो प्रोडक्ट हम लेना चाहते हैं या तो हम ऑनलाइन परचेज कर सकते हैं या फिर स्टोर पे जाके बुक करा सकते
स्टोर पे
हैं।
जाके भी आप बुक करा सकते हैं बिल्कुल।
स्टोर पे जाके क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस स्टूडियो है सो यहाँ से ऐसा नहीं है कि यू वॉक इन एंड यू पिक आउट।
Yes.
इज इट नॉट पॉसिबल
No,
राइट?
this is not possible. As
Okay.
we have told, this is an experience store where you come and experience the quality. You can come, have a look. You can sit on the couches. You can sit on the beds. You can lie down and you can check the quality, size, and everything, comfort. Then you can book it from here. It will be coming from factory itself, like how you book it from the online website.
Information you
Yes.
shared a lot of information. In fact, it was educational for all of us.
And more information is available on the website, on the application, and if anything is there which need to be discussed yet, we have got a number. It will be published below this link, and then you can have a look on it, and we can get in touch through the sales executives.
All right. Thanks a lot for enlightening us.
Thank you.
Take care.